have to work with the girls who have grown up watching me. Yeah, I mean, I'm glad she didn't say her mom was listening to my music when she was pregnant with Deepika. Tujhe dekha to ye jana sanam. I've lost some of the six-pack now. I did this song 2 months ago. Now I'm pregnant. So I'm not trying to sound pompous or arrogant. People think I'm making fun of Savaria. I don't need to. There is no competition because I believe my film is the biggest. India FM मुझसे पूछ रहा था कि हर तरह की desperate चीज़ तो कोशिश कर रहे थे, तो हमने कहा बीवी को भी फिल्म में डाल देते हैं यार, और कुछ नहीं तो बीवी चल जाएगी.
Classic interviews and memorable events. Well, that's what BH Archives is all about. In this second episode, we bring to you the press conference of Om Shanti Om in London, UK that was held hours before its grand premiere. Shah Rukh Khan, Arjun Rampal, Deepika Padukone, Shreyas Talpade, Kishore Lulla and others graced this memorable event. Take a look.
We all miss Farah Khan, the director, the soul of this film. Without her, this film would not be possible. So I'm glad that we'll be able to relay some of the good news, if you've liked the film, back to her in India. But she's worked really hard, and the whole team joins in saying thank you to her. And I thank all of you. I've just been told I have been to England so often. They're about to give me an English citizenship now. Just the Queen just called me and said, you should stay here and become English. Your skin looks English. But thank you so much. All of you have always been too warm, too wonderful, and too kind to me.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank Farah and Shah Rukh and the entire Eros team and the entire team of Om Shanti Om for giving me such a big launch. And I think the reason why you see me all over the place is because of them. And I don't think I could have asked for a better launch. And I'm enjoying this moment, and thank you for everything.
When you have actors like Deepika, what I'm actually trying is the other way. How far can I go riding on her back? The idea is that I have to work with the girls who have grown up watching me. I mean, I'm glad she didn't say her mom was listening to my music when she was pregnant with Deepika. Tujhe dekha to ye jana sanam. But I think youngsters, all of them, Shreyas, Arjun and Deepika, they are very, very hardworking, very professional, very focused. And I think they're all more talented and more all there than we were at that age. And I think they're going to take all of us very far. So I'm glad that I've got 3 young people in my film who make me last for another few years.
If I get to play a cool bad guy like this, anytime. I mean, but only thing I wouldn't like to burn Deepika again. I think she's too beautiful to be burnt. And I mean, I think we all are great friends. And if there are roles that fit anybody, and we'll definitely do something together.
मेरे career में इतने जल्दी I got to work with Nasir ji also and Shah Rukh as well. Both of them have tremendous energy, tremendous passion about cinema, and you just got to keep observing them, and you automatically learn a lot through the day.
When we are working with him, you're just relieved, you're relaxed. You don't have to think about anything. Just follow what Shah Rukh is doing. That's how easy it is to work with Shah Rukh. And count the money to the bank, yes.
I've lost some of the six-pack now. I did this song 2 months ago. Now I'm pregnant. So I'm losing. Darling, pregnant. No, a lot of people say I would, but pregnant women, beautiful. Pregnant men, not a good sight. But the son is happy, and I'll be back. I'll work out after the delivery of Om Shanti Om. Tomorrow, I'll be back again. When somebody sees a typical Bollywood film, the first reaction is, oh God, it's too long. Songs? You guys do song? It's so kitsch. Even now when you have functions in England, I notice the posters that are put up in terms of trying to describe Indian cinema is with bell-bottoms and side locks. So we just thought, we would frame it in that styling so that you understand, and without spoofing it or making fun of it. Let the world know. We know you find our cinema a little different, but we are here to tell you, please love the difference. Competition is normally with something that is bigger than you. Unfortunately, I wake up in the morning and I believe, rightly or wrongly, that my film is the biggest in the world. And because my film is the biggest in the world, and that's the belief I have, I don't think there can be anything bigger. So I don't have no competition. And I say that with honesty. I mean, I'm not trying to sound pompous or arrogant. People think I'm making fun of Savaria. I don't need to. There is no competition because I believe my film is the biggest. And I will only compete with something that runs faster than me, jumps higher than me, laughs louder than me, screams better than me. I wake up every morning and I say, no, my film does that. And I believe that. So there's no competition by deriding that film. I wish them the best of luck. And they'll need it. मैंने बिल्कुल कन्विंस नहीं किया उनको स्क्रीन पे आने के लिए. मेरी स्क्रीन पे पहले ही बहुत सारे खूबसूरत लोग थे, अर्जुन और दीपिका और श्रेयस. मैं अपने लिए और कंपटीशन पैदा नहीं करना चाहता. लेकिन उनके दोस्त फारा उनकी बहुत करीब हैं और हमको ऐसा लगता है, किशोर और मुझको, कि गौरी हमारे लकी हैं. तो इस बार जैसे इंडिया एफएम मुझसे पूछ रहा था कि हर तरह की डेस्परेट चीज़ तो कोशिश कर रहे थे, तो हमने कहा बीवी को भी फिल्म में डाल देते हैं यार, और कुछ नहीं तो बीवी चल जाएगी. माई USP इज़ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू गेट गुड रोल्स इन हॉलीवुड, बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी जस्ट डूइंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. एंड इंशाल्लाह वन डे we all here, with the help of Kishore and all our friends here, take Indian cinema to the world. That's the dream. The dream is not really to get into a Hollywood film.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.